Hello. This is video number 2 of my tool tutorials. Simple tools, easy instructions, daily life, that type of stuff. Utility knife. This is the Amazon Basics utility knife. Most important thing is this has a retractable blade. You push your thumb down. Look at this. You push your thumb down on this tab, little button, and you push the blade out. Very important when you are done using this knife, retract the blade, like so. You can replace the blade on these knives. Some of the older ones, the original ones, had a screw that you undo and then the whole thing comes apart. This one has a little door. You open this, you push this little thing here, this little tab. Push that, it allows the door to open. And there is a blade inside. Pull the blade out, snap the door. You push this button here. When you push it, it allows you to pull the blade out. You grab the blade that you pulled out of the door and you push the new one in. You may have to push this button. You may have to push it when you push it back in. Get it in there. Here, locks in. Retract the blade. Most important thing my wife wanted me to remember is always retract that blade. You don't want any mishaps, you know. Blades and skin, that's a bad deal. I have a noisy dog. So that's life, I suppose. So once again, very simple. I find it's good to keep a few of these around. I have a couple in my truck. We have 1 or 2 at home. If you lose one, I lose things. Nice to have another one on hand. Keep some extra blades, put them inside. Some of them come with blades in them. If you're super rich, just get a new one each time your blades go dull, I suppose. But that is not me. Utility knife. Very good, very handy. The most common thing we use it for is opening boxes, breaking down boxes. So you got a cardboard box, you want to make the pieces smaller for the garbage or for the recycling bin. You cut them into pieces, cut the lids off, cut, all that stuff down. Makes it easier to dispose of the cardboard. That's a great use for this knife. Amazon's Basics. As a matter of fact, this video is being used with an Amazon Basics tripod. So there you have it. Oh, it's shaking. Video 2 done. 2 of the tutorials. And, the more to come. Like and subscribe, please. You don't have to. If you want to. I don't care. It's your choice. It's your life. I'll be doing more of this stuff, so stick around. Bye.